Our math lesson today is on 10 more and 10 less. We have our patterns still up here for our numbers from 0 to 59. And what I would like to do with these today is to show you a way you can use a chart like this to help you with 10 more, 10 less, and of course our hands-on manipulatives. So let's go ahead and start with our manipulatives. The first number I have is 20. If you noticed, I put the number above because I didn't want you to get confused thinking it's just one less, one more. So we're gonna do 10 less and 10 more. So I'll start with our manipulatives. Remember when we used these before and they were considered groups of 10. So I have 1 10, 2 10s. All right, if I want 10 less, I have to take one of these away, which leaves me just one group of 10. I need to get a marker, sorry about that. And so on this, we have 10. Now we're gonna go back to our 2 10s, which is 20, and we're gonna add 10 more this time. And so now we have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, which is the same as 30. So here's our 30. 10 less than 20 is 10, 10 more is 30. Let's try one that has something in the ones place. So we have 26 to start with. Here's our 2 10s. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So with the number 26, instead of just taking away one seed, remember we're going to take away a group of 10. So I'm going to pull off this group of 10, which will leave me 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Instead of 2 10s, now I have 1 10, and my 6 doesn't change. All I change is the 10s place. So I have 16. Now, when I go back to 26, and I want 10 more, I add one more group of 10. And when I count that, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So let's go ahead and go from the manipulatives to actually doing it on our chart. Here's the number 35. When I go up one row, my 5 in my ones place doesn't change, but look, I get one less group of 10. So instead of 35, I have a 25. And when I go down one row, I have 45. 10 less is 25, 10 more is 45. Let's try it with 41. Here's our 41. So going up a row would give me one less 10, but my ones don't change. So I have 31 being 10 less than 41. If I go straight down, that gives me a new group of 10. So instead of 4 10s, now I have 5 10s, and that would make it 51, which is 10 more than 41. Let's just look at it and see if we can do it without a chart at all. So look in your tens place. I have 5 10s, 2 1s. I want 1 less 10. So I'm going to put 4 because 5 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10. My 2 remains. It doesn't change because that's the ones place. So I have 42, 52. Now if I want 10 more, if I had 5 and I add 1 more group, which is under here, that would be 6 10s. And here, the 2 1s, 2 1s, and 2 more 1s. So 42 is 10 less than 52, and 62 is 10 more than 52. Our final one is 16. This one I put up for fun because look, 1 10 6. What if you took away that one group of 10? You have 0 10s, 6 1s, which is just 6. If you take away the 10, all you have is 6. If you have 1 10 and you add another 10, now you have 2 10s and your 6 1s stay the same. 6 1s, 6 1s, 6 1s. No 10s, 1 10s, 2 10s. 6 is 10 less than 16. 26 is 10 more. 10 more, 10 less.